Welcome to the chapter Numbers with 3 Digits. This slide presents the overview of the chapter. Learning objectives. By the end of this chapter, you will be able to discuss about the 3-digit numbers, identify the smallest and the largest 3-digit number, identify the missing numbers from the given numbers, write the numbers in words using digits, expand the 3-digit numbers, define the face value and the place value, explain the place value of a number, differentiate place value from face value. Let us start with introduction. Hi children, in the previous classes we have learned about numbers from 0 to 99. Numbers 1 to 9 are called the single digit numbers. Numbers 10 to 99 are called the 2-digit numbers. The smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the largest 2-digit number is 99. Do you know what the 3-digit numbers are? Let us know about the 3-digit numbers. Dear students, can you tell what the sum is if we add 1 to the number 99? First, let us write the number 99 in the form of tens and ones as the bundles of sticks and the loose sticks. In the number 99, we have 9 tens and 9 ones. By adding the loose sticks in the ones place, we get 10 loose sticks. We know that 10 ones are equal to 1 10. Here we have 10 tens, which is equal to 100 ones. So, the number 99 plus 1 is equal to 100. Therefore, we can say that if we add 1 to the biggest number with 2 digits, we get the smallest number with 3 digits. It means the first number with 3 digits is 100. So, 100 is the smallest number with 3 digits. As we all know, 99 is a 2-digit number and it has ones place and tens place. In the same way, for the number 100, it has ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Dear students, let us learn the numbers from 100 to 200. As we know, 100 is a 3-digit number. If we add 1 to it, then what is the result? 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. Now, add 1 to the number 101. 101 plus 1 is equal to 102. Add 1 to the number 102. It is equal to 103. Continue the addition of numbers one after the other. You will get the numbers accordingly: 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111 and so on. Take up the following activity on identify the missing numbers from 100 to 200. Observe the numbers given carefully and fill in the missing numbers. Here, we will know the numbers from 200 to 999. The following table shows the numbers from 200 to 300. The following table shows the numbers from 300 to 400. The following table shows the numbers from 400 to 500. The following table shows the numbers from 500 to 600. The following table shows the numbers from 600 to 700. The following table shows the numbers from 700 to 800. The following table shows the numbers from 800 to 900. The following table shows the numbers from 900 to 999. Dear students, let us learn the numbers with hundreds. In the number 200, we have 2 hundreds or 20 tens or 200 ones. Similarly, in the number 300, we have 3 hundreds or 30 tens or 300 ones. Likewise, in the number 900, we have 9 hundreds or 90 tens or 900 ones. Let us do an activity on numbers with hundreds. Write the correct number in the blank boxes which are given below. Dear students, let us know about the numbers in hundreds, tens and ones. Here, we are going to learn how to compare the numbers with the help of rupee notes by observing this scenario. One day, Bunty and his sister went to a toy shop to buy some toys. In the toy shop, Bunty liked a toy car and he was asking his sister to buy that one. Also, his sister liked a baby doll. Now, the shopkeeper said that the cost of a toy car is 145 rupees and the baby doll costs 220 rupees. So, for a toy car they have to pay 100 rupee note, 4 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. Also, for a baby doll, they have to pay 200 rupee notes and 2 10 rupee notes. Therefore, we can say that in the number 145, we have 100, 4 tens and 5 ones. In the number 220, we have 2 hundreds and 2 tens. Now, we will learn the expanded form of numbers. Here is the number 534, which is in standard form. The expanded form of 534 is 500 plus 30 plus 4. It can be also written as 5 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 4 into 1. The word form of the number 534 can be written as shown on the screen. Similarly, 698 is equal to 600 plus 90 plus 8. It can also be written as 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 8 into 1. The word form of the number 698 can be written as shown on the screen. Now, we do an activity on numbers in words using digits. Select an option from the left column and then match it with a number in the right column. In this section, we will study about the place value and face value of a digit. Before we proceed to place value and face value, let us recall the expanded form of a number. Here, the value of a digit when expressed in expanded form of the number is called its place value in the number. For example, in the number 698, the place value of 8 is 8 into 1 is equal to 8 as 8 is at ones or units place. The place value of 9 is 9 into 10 is equal to 90 as 9 is at tens place. The place value of 6 is 6 into 100 is equal to 600 as 6 is at hundreds place. Therefore, for the place value of a digit, the digit is multiplied by the place value of 1 it has in that place. Important point to be remembered. The place value of 0 is always 0. It may hold any place in a number, its value is always 0. As in 305, the place value of 0 in each number is 0. Now, we are moving to know about the face value. The face value of a digit in a numeral is its own value at whatever place it may be. For example, in the 3-digit number 698, the face value of 6 is 6, 9 is 9, and 8 is 8 irrespective how big the number is. Take up an activity on finding the place values of a number. Choose the correct answer from the following. Take up one more activity on finding the place values of a number. Click on the appropriate place value of the underlined digit. Let us do some exercise problems. Click on the solution button for your reference. Here, we will know which number come after 3-digit number. Look at the currency notes and coins which are shown on the screen. By seeing the notes and coins, we can say that the total amount is 999, which is the largest 3-digit number. If we add 1 rupee coins, we get the 10 ones. As we know, 10 ones are equal to 110. Here, we have 10 tens which is equal to 100. Thus, finally, we have 10 hundreds which is equal to 1000. Therefore, we can say that if we add 1 to the biggest number with 3 digits, we get the smallest number with 4 digits. It means the first number with 4 digits is 1000. So, 1000 is the smallest number with 4 digits. Practice zone. Try to solve the questions on your own. Click solution to verify your answer. Summary. Let us see the highlights of this chapter. Numbers 1 to 9 are called the one-digit numbers. Numbers 10 to 99 are called the two-digit numbers. The smallest two-digit number is 10 and the largest two-digit number is 99. 10 ones are equal to 110. 10 tens are equal to 100 ones. The first number with 3 digits is 100. So, 100 is the smallest number with 3 digits. The expanded form of 534 is 500 plus 30 plus 4. The value of a digit when expressed in expanded form of the number is called its place value in the number. The place value of 0 is always 0. It may hold any place in a number. Its value is always 0. The first number with 4 digits is 1000. So, 1000 is the smallest number with 4 digits. Follow-up work. Write all the 3-digit numbers from 100 to 999. Find all the 3-digit numbers whose digit in the hundreds place is 3 times the digit in the units place and the digit in the tens place is 1. Test your understanding of the chapter by taking the mock unit test. You have successfully completed the chapter Numbers with 3 digits.